Hello, this was shared with me so I can share it with you. These are 7x9 nylon repair patches. So these are perfect if you have a tent to repair, or maybe even a book bag, or a chair maybe that has a tear in it, maybe an office chair. So these, again, they're 7x9, so they're conveniently pre-cut. But if you need a smaller patch, maybe you only have a 2-inch hole, you can actually trim these down a bit. And this is what they look like. And you can see there it's a nylon type of vinyl kind of a feeling to it. And we can just separate it here. It has an adhesive back, so we'll just pull this around like this, and you can see what the back looks like. And this is the sticky part right here. And it's actually not real thick, so that's convenient. It'll fold right over whatever kind of material you need it to do. It kind of feels like a tape. So sometimes it's like a really big stiff piece and it's not that helpful, but this will be real nice and just go right against whatever it is that you have to repair. So I have just a little hole that I need to cover on my book bag here, or my computer bag. So I'm just going to trim a piece off here like this. So here I just cut a corner, and you can use the full 7x9 or you can just take a corner. So in this case, I just need this little corner. So I'm going to show you the little area here on the bottom of my book bag, and I'm just going to cover that like that. You see, it's a nice black. It blends right in. You can't even really tell that I'm covering a hole there. So there you go. There you have it. So nice little repair patch for my, this is like a canvas top bag. So check it out if this is something that could help you out.